If you are using Amazon Fire TV Stick, if you want to mirror your Android phone to Amazon Fire TV Stick, you can do that. If you are mirroring your screen, you can see everything that is in your smartphone in your TV also. So you can see your smartphone in big screen. Anyways, in this video, we will be telling about how to mirror your Android screen to your Amazon Fire TV Stick. For this first, what we need to do is take your Amazon Fire TV Stick remote. After taking remote here, you can see a button like this home button. Long press on this button. When you are long pressing, you can see some options. And here you can see mirroring option. Go to that area. After that, click on this OK button. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. After that, take your smartphone. After taking your smartphone, go to settings. When you are going to settings, you can see so many options. In my case, I am using Poco branded phone. In Poco and Redmi branded phones, you can see connection and sharing option. Click on connection and sharing. When you are clicking on that, you can see cast. But one thing is that according to brands, there will be some changes. In some branded phones, it will be mirroring or screen mirroring. And in some phones, it will be display cast or screencast or just cast. Anyways, what you can do is in your settings page above, you can see search settings option. Click on search settings and search for mirroring. When you are searching for mirroring, if you are able to see screen mirroring or mirroring option, select that. In my case, that screen mirroring or mirroring option is not there, so I am searching for cast. If you are searching for cast, you can see display cast or cast display cast or screencast option. Anyway, select that option. For example, in my case, I am selecting cast. When you are selecting that, you will reach a page like this. In this page, you can see cast option is turned off. Sometimes it will be mirroring. You need to turn on that cast or mirroring option. When you're turning on that, you can see searching for device. But one thing is that if you are using this feature for the first time, sometimes they will ask for some permission. Now here you can see that Fire TV Stick device. Just click on that. When you are clicking on that, screen mirroring will be started. Now here you can see my phone. If you are using your phone, you can see that things in your TV. And another thing is that if you want to watch anything in YouTube, you can watch that too in full screen. For that, what you need to do is, you need to turn off this lock orientation feature, or you need to enable screen rotation. After that, if you are opening YouTube, and if I am keeping my phone in this orientation, I can see everything in full screen. So in full screen, I can play this video, and by pressing on this back button, you can exit from screen mirroring. When you're clicking on that, you can see. Are you sure you want to exit display mirroring? Click on yes. When you are clicking on that, display mirroring will be stopped. So this way you can easily mirror your Android phone to your Amazon Fire TV Stick. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.